the implementation of the National Arts Month for 2026 actually last year pa. But there is an order, not a total order from Chair Eric. We are having our closing program as a kick-off for the celebration of the ASEAN this year. So, mayroon kaming bubuin na isang concert na may patungkol sa pag-host ng Philippines for this ASEAN. But basically, yung daloy ng programa for this year ay attune to that because we're targeting the Sustainable Development Goals. And that's also the essence of the ASEAN, you know? Ang 17 SDGs na yan. So yung bawat sites ng Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, there's specific SDGs that we're addressing. Like in Palo Leyte, I think we're looking into the climate change aspect of the celebration. So in the past kasi, we're doing the celebration individually. Our 7 arts ay mayroong mga flagship program. But this time, we're having a collaborative. No? So kahit hindi primarily na nakatuon sa ASEAN, ang preparation, we're still targeting some sort of the implementation for our ASEAN host cities.
Okay, thank you.